Hello viewers, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to apply the fractional law of indices to solve this problem. And so we are given that 81 raised to the power of 3 over 4. And so to solve this problem under indices, we use the fractional law, which this is solution. So this is the law. We have that a raised to the power of m over n is the same thing. This is how to interpret this law. Is nth root of a all raised to the power of m. So that is how to interpret this law. And so let's bring out our question. This is the question. So we have 81 raised to the power of 3 over 4. So from here we can say that this is our a. If we want to compare it to this particular formula, this is our a, this is our m, and this is our n. So now that we've been able to choose our a, our n, and m, this is nth root. So we can now interpret it using this formula, so that our 81 raised to the power of 3 over 4 will be equal to, okay, let's have the square roots and the root sign first. So since n is 4, so it means this is the fourth root. That's how we write it. That's the fourth root of a is 81. So we have 81. Put it in brackets. All raised to the power of m. M is 3. So we have 3. All raised to the power of 3. Okay. So note the 3 is not under the square root sign. It's outside the square root sign. So now, fourth root of 81 means what number will you multiply 4 times to give you 81? Fourth root, square root of a number means what number will you multiply 2 times to give you that number? Cube root of a number means what number will you multiply 3 times to give you that number? Okay, so fourth root of 81 means what number will you multiply 4 times to give you 81? So it means if we say 3, okay, let's start with 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2, 8. 8 times 2, 16. So this doesn't give us 81. So that's not the fourth root of 81. So let's take 3. 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, since we are dealing with fourth roots. So 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. 27 times 3 will give us 81. So which means 3 is the fourth root of 81. So in solving this, we have, since the fourth root of 81 is 3, that is this other part, so we have 3 as the fourth root of this is 81. So we have 3. But it's raised to this power of 3, so we have 3 raised to power 3. And so we know that 3 raised to power 3 is the same thing as 3 times 3 times 3, which is equal to 27. So viewers, this is how to solve this kind of question in indices using the fractional index law. And we'll call this fractional index law. Thank you.